Bonjour, 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 bonjour à tous, bonjour tout le monde. C'est moi encore, Monsieur Régalité. Yes, le professeur de français du Nigeria. Oui, 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 oui. It is me once again, Mr. Egalité, the French professor from Nigeria. Today we're going to be talking about ordinal number. Le nombre ordinal. Le nombre ordinal. Okay, that is the numbers used to indicate position, order, and rank. Okay, there are five major points to take note of. Point number one says the first one, which is first, premiere, it has both masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine, that means it is conscious of what? Gender. Okay. Second point is that if a number in French in the spelling ends with an E, the E is dropped and IEME is replaced, is placed in the position of the E that was removed. In other words, IEME usually is what we add to a particular word that represents a number for us to ordinalize it. Okay. Okay. Now, apart from premier, which is first, to ordinalize a number from cardinal to ordinal, we have to add IEME. Okay. Now, as I was saying, example, quatre, quatre, 4. Some say cat. Quatre. The E has to be removed in 4 and IEME replaces it to form the fourth position in French. That is quatre becomes quatrième. Quatrième. Okay. Point number 3 says that if a word that represents a number ends with an F, the F is dropped and in its place is V before the IEME. Okay. Example is neuf, 9, neuf, 9, neuf, 9, neuvième, ninth, neuvième, ninth. Okay. Point number 4. If a word representing a number in French ends with Q, letter Q, U is placed behind Q before IEME is introduced. Example, cinq, 5, cinq. This is Nigerian pronunciation. Mind you, before you start comparing me with maybe those in Canada or in France or Quebec, no. This is purely African pronunciation. Okay. So cinq changes to cinquième. In the spelling, you see that Q has come after U has come after Q before the IEME has been introduced. Final point says that, what is that final point? What does it say? Okay, it says that ordinal number obeys gender and number rule. That means we make use of articles when gender is involved. Example, le deuxième jour. Le and jour. Le for masculine day is used for jour, which is a masculine name of a day. So that means the second day. But the other one is la deuxième fois. La deuxième fois. The second time. In other words, fois is feminine, la is feminine article, de. Okay, don't worry, one of these days I'm going to teach on article and determinants in French so that we can have all these things in our notes and in our mind, and we know how to apply them. All right, let us go to the examples of the cardinal number. We're taking from 1 to 20. Okay, and I'm going to take it the cardinal, the ordinal, and English. Cardinal is normal number in French. Ordinal is the positional one. Then the English counterpart. Example: un, un, première, première, first, deux, deux, deuxième, deuxième, second, trois, trois, troisième, troisième, third, quatre, quatre, quatrième, quatrième, fourth, cinq, cinquième, cinquième, fifth, six, six, sixième, sixième, sixth, sept, sept, septième, septième, seventh, huit, 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 huitième, huitième, eight, eight, eighth position, neuf, neuf, neuvième, neuvième, ninth, dix, dix, dixième, dixième, tenth. Then 11 is onze. 11th is onzième, onzième, onze, onzième, douze, douzième, douzième, 12th, treize, treize. The brushing from the esophagus is not really very active this evening. Well, that is not their fault. Is because we Africans sometimes we don't really get it like the Europeans do. After all, it's their mother tongue. We have one of our mother tongues. All right, treize, treizième, treizième, 13th, quatorze, quatorze, quatorzième, quatorzième, 14th, quinze, quinze, quinzième, quinzième, 15th, seize, seize, seizième, seizième, 16th, 17, 17, 17e, 17e, 17th, 18, 18, 18e, 18e, 18th, 19, 19, 19e, 19e, 19th, 20, 20, 20e, 20e, 10th, Oui, bravo, my people. You have done well. That's wonderful. We have come to the end of the lesson on French ordinal numbers, which is numbers to show position. Okay, the next topic we may be taking articles. But remember, if you have any particular topic you want us to treat before the ones I've arranged, you can always indicate that using the comment section, and I will try to read every comment that anyone will post there. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. I am really ready to take you on this journey of French learning from basic to advanced in Nigeria, in Africa, and whoever any other part of this world is interested in what I do. You can always click and subscribe. Au revoir. Toutes les à demain.